Hello sir, this is Monadeep. Today I am here to discuss about the topic tourism and rural development. Every year 27 September is celebrated as World Tourism Day by World Tourism Organization led by United Nations. We have different themes over the year, but due to this pandemic corona situation, this year theme is celebrated as tourism and rural development. This theme mainly focuses on uplifting the backward villages in the state. When we develop these backward villages in the state, we are developing our whole country indirectly. Making this as an initiative, the government should take procedures in developing these rural villages rich in tourist sites. As we all know that these villages are covered with trees, they have mountains, lakes, fountains, and they have greenery locations. If we attract tourists to this kind of places, we required hotels there, which produces employment to this rural people. Like to run a hotel, we need receptionist, manager, cook, chef, and housekeeper to take care of the tourists, which improves the livelihood of those villages in a decent manner. When tourists visit, we need to have a proper infrastructure of roads. We need to maintain our surroundings clean, and it also and the villagers need to take precautions to protect their environment, as they can make easy money by protecting their environment. When they can protect their environment, they are attracting tourists, so they have to protect their environment to attract tourists. So likewise, our environment is also in safe hands, and tourists are also attracted to these villages, and the villagers are having a better life. Now they will protect their lakes from getting polluted, and try to afforest their areas as many as possible, and they try to conserve the natural resources and use it only for good purposes. And also, the unemployed youth in the rural areas get employed by these hotels and tourist sites. As who are educated, they can work as guide, which is very decent and highly required in those tourist areas. And farmers, as we need food to eat, farmers need to produce that food, and farmers also get employment. And we people get bored by visiting major cities, so we need to get rid of that, and we need to stay in isolated peace area. We tend to move to lonely places or solemn places where only few people can stay. So further, villages are best to have peaceful, stress-free environment. So the government can utilize these villages as a tourist sites to attract tourists across the globe. When we visit our state, we like to visit as many times as possible, so our neighborhood states will come and visit our state, and our other countries come and visit our state, which increases our economy, and those villagers are getting their income high, which is a sustainable development. As we all know that every state in India is unique in its own way. Like, we have different food, culture, tradition, festivals are even different from state to state. If the government start focusing on each state will enhance its own culture and tradition, which the other tourists find attractive to come to our India more, as they can visit vast diversity at a time. And as the youth are getting employed in rural areas, they start to migrate less to urban areas, and these rural areas start competing with urban areas, so they will have a friendly competition, which is otherwise called as a development in India. As many people across the globe come to visit this India, their culture will get implemented in our states, uh, which makes us to gain our knowledge in vast variety, and we start living a fair and decent life, a good well settled life which we all need. And these rural areas, which are previously lack of these basic requirements like proper food, health, security, will now be sufficiently rich in security purpose, infrastructure of roads, then they start having this Wi-Fi, high broadbands, as to people come from different countries, they need all these as their basic requirements, and which the government has to do it mandatorily, which develops the backward class to a completely developed cities. And also we need people to come around world to visit our places, because we can promote ourselves. If 10 people like these places, they'll tell to some other 10, and like this we can expand our business, which brings more people and increases our income and helps in betterment of our livelihood. And we all know that India is very rich in culture and heritage. Many for are so interested, and they are very keen in learning our culture and tradition, which makes India visit frequently by other foreign countries. As these tourists are visiting each and tiny villages in every particular state, our business are developed in very rural villages. Like then they will have these resorts, parks, and these retail shops, marts, which is called a development, and it is a part of this theme, tourism and rural development. And as many people come and visit their places, we need to have proper education to communicate with those, and our communication skills will rapidly increase and brings a devastating change in our livelihood. Like we also start to changing our culture, but the United Nations had to think properly that we shouldn't lose our own originality or our own ethical values in the name of development. We need development in a proper way, where our Indian culture will be developed in a proper manner. We shouldn't lose our heritage, culture, customs. We must our India is famous for its ethical and human values, which we need to enhance those, and we should never lose those. As these villages are developing in all aspects, women in those rural villages are also get employed, and also they start living an independent life, which is very important. When women are on their own feet, then the society goes in a better way. So the theme tourism and rural development must go hand in hand. When this rural develop completely, these tourism sites increase, this and visitors from other countries visit these rural villages, then our country will have more GDP growth, and which affects in in whole manner that they are our India is completely developed in all aspects, and 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 we and that's the main aspect of this main aspect of the theme, tourism and rural development, so that villages are equal, are compete equally with cities in development of country. So that's it, that's about the tourism and rural development topic. Thank you.